If you need some quick cash, a payday loan might be the solution for you. Payday loans are short-term loans that can help you cover unexpected expenses until your next payday. There are many payday lenders in Canada, so it can be difficult to determine which one is right for you. This video will compare some of the best payday loans in Canada to help you decide which one is right for you. Number 1. Payday. Payday is a Canadian payday loan lender that offers short-term loans to people who need extra money before their next payday. The company has been in business since 2012 and is based in Toronto, Ontario. The loan application process is straightforward and can be completed online in just a few clicks. The funding time is 1 business day. Once approved, Payday will advance your cash and collect the funds directly from your bank account on the agreed repayment date. The repayment period is between 14 and 30 days. Payday offers online payday loans with instant approval to all those in need. The maximum amount for a payday loan is $1,500 and the minimum is $100. This lender provides installment loans for those looking for a more substantial amount, ranging between $1,000 and $15,000. One of the best things about Payday is that you don't need to be employed to qualify for a loan. You can still apply for a Payday loan if you're receiving government benefits. The benefits include Canada Child Benefit, Canadian Pension Plan, Disability Tax Credit, and private pensions. However, there are some requirements you need to meet if you wish to get one of Payday's instant online loans in Canada. These include being a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, being of legal age in your province or territory, having an active bank account, and getting paid by direct deposit. You will also need a valid email address and provide your home or cell phone number so the lender can contact you if needed. All things considered, Payday is a great option if you're looking for payday loans. The application process is quick and easy, and your account will be credited with the money you need in as little as 1 business day. This is an excellent option for unemployed borrowers or looking to find payday loans in Canada with bad credit. Number 2. Money Mart. Money Mart is a payday loan lender that offers short-term loans to customers in need. The company has been in business for 40 years and has a strong reputation for providing fair and transparent loans. Money Mart offers both online and in-person loan options, making it convenient for customers to apply and receive their funds. Its cash advance amounts range from $120 to $1,500 and can be repaid in full on your next payday. If you need instant funding, Money Mart is just what you need. Once you get approved for a loan, your account will be funded within 2 hours and you can use those funds immediately. If you need a direct deposit, be prepared to wait for 1 to 2 business days. Qualifying for a cash advance online in Canada is quite easy with Money Mart. If you're 18 or older, have a valid ID, checking account, and a steady source of income, you're likely to be approved. Besides cash advances, Money Mart also offers installment loans of up to $15,000 with up to a 60-month repayment period. One of Money Mart's few downsides regarding cash advances is that it isn't available in all the provinces. So if you live in one of these locations, you will have to look for another solution: Newfoundland and Labrador, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, Yukon, Northwest Territories, or Nunavut. All in all, Money Mart is a great option when you need quick cash. It's been around for a long time and is one of the top payday loan providers in Canada. It offers online and in-person loan options, making it convenient for customers to apply and receive their funds. Number 3. My Canada Payday. Founded in 2008, My Canada Payday is one of Canada's leading online payday loan providers. The company offers a convenient and secure way for Canadian borrowers to apply for and receive payday loans. It operates in British Columbia, Alberta, Nova Scotia, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and Ontario. The application process is simple, and you can receive funds in just a few hours. As soon as you accept the loan, your funds will be immediately sent by Interac e-Transfer. If you're looking for one of the best payday loans in Canada, check out My Canada Payday. My Canada Payday is a Canadian Consumer Finance Association (CCFA) member and is committed to responsible lending practices. The company offers loans of up to $1,500, which can be repaid over up to 60 days. Regarding interest rates, My Canada Payday has a unique pricing structure for each province. If you're in Ontario, British Columbia, or Alberta, you'll be charged $15 per $100 borrowed, while the rate goes up to $17 per $100 in Saskatchewan and Manitoba. You'll be charged a flat rate of $19 per $100 borrowed in Nova Scotia. To apply for a loan with My Canada Payday, you must be at least 18 years old and a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. You will also need to have a steady source of income. The company accepts applications from full-time and part-time employees, disabled, pensioners, and Canada Child Benefit users. Instant approval loans are a great solution when you need quick cash to cover a sudden expense, and when it comes to payday loans in Canada, only a few companies can match My Canada Payday. So if you need quick cash and live in one of the provinces where My Canada Payday operates, this lender could be the perfect solution. Number 4. Payday. Payday is a Canadian-owned and operated company that offers short-term loans and other financial services to customers across the country. Founded in 2006, Payday has a reputation for providing honest and responsive service. The company offers a variety of loan products, including personal loans, payday loans with no credit check, and installment loans. In addition to its lending services, Payday also provides check cashing, bill payment, and money transfer services. Payday operates a network of 32 locations across Canada, making it one of the widest spread short-term lenders in the country. Payday offers payday loans of up to $1,500 with no hidden fees or credit checks. It also has a special welcome offer for all new customers. If you're new to Payday and wish to take out a payday loan, the company will give you a $300 cash advance completely free of charge. Payday's online payday loans are available to all Canadians residing in Halifax, Truro, Sydney, Dartmouth, or Nova Scotia. They can apply online or in person at any of Payday's locations across the country. Once approved, you can expect your funds within 24 hours. The company also has a dedicated mobile app that allows you to apply for a loan, check your balance, and make payments on the go. It's available for iOS and Android devices, and users can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play. If you're looking for a trusted and reliable payday loan provider in Canada, Payday is definitely worth considering. Besides instant online loans, the company has an extensive network of locations across the country and a welcome offer for all new customers. Number 5. Cash Money. Cash Money is a payday lending company that offers short-term loans to consumers who need quick cash. The company was founded in 1992 and has grown to become one of the leading payday lenders in the country. Cash Money loans are available online and at brick-and-mortar locations, and the application process is smooth. Borrowers can apply for a loan online, by phone, or at a physical location, and if approved, the funds will be deposited into their bank account within 24 hours. Those looking for instant payday loans in Canada will be happy to know that Cash Money offers some of the quickest loans in the country. If they choose Interac e-Transfer, they will receive their funds in as little as 15 minutes. So, if you need cash fast, this is a lender worth considering. Cash Money offers loans ranging from $100 to $1,500, and the interest rates are calculated based on the province you live in. Residents from British Columbia and Ontario residents will pay $15 per $100 borrowed, while for Manitoba and Saskatchewan residents, the fee rises to $17 for the same amount borrowed. Nova Scotia residents will pay $19 per $100 borrowed, and Newfoundland residents can expect the steepest fee of $21. Like most other online instant loans in Canada, Cash Money loans have specific prerequisites. To apply, you must be between 18 and 70 years old, have a regular source of income, be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, have an active bank account, have a valid email address and phone number. Unemployment and disability are accepted as sources of income, making Cash Money one of the few lenders that offer loans to people with no job. Overall, Cash Money is an excellent option for anyone in need of quick cash. It's important to note that the interest rates are quite high and should be considered before taking out a loan.